Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Kaizer Chiefs missed a chance to move to third on the log last night when they played Amazulu FC with a dominant display. However, they missed so many chances, including a penalty and a Khanisa Mayo blunder. Yeah, that penalty and also that Khanisa Mayo blunder is the one that stole the headlines. Chiefs were very dominant, especially in the first half, and they wasted so many chances. Last week, Gaston Serrano missed a penalty, and this week, Lilepo missed a penalty. Do you think that there's an issue when it comes to penalty takers at Kaizer Chiefs? Because even during preseason, we saw Inacio Miguel also missing penalties. In addition, Mayo denied his own teammate Pule Modi a certain goal after pushing it over from an offside position, leaving even his coach speechless. Modi was very furious. His reaction says it all. Here is what his coach says, Ben Yusuf. What I can say, the first 30 minutes of the first half we created a minimum of 4 chances to score. And then we conceded a goal. We didn't concentrate, not only focused on small details. It's very tough for players mentally when you have a penalty and miss a penalty, but we continue to fight. Then we get another opportunity, we score. It would have been a goal, but Mayo touched the ball in an offside. Also in the second half, I think we deserved to win. We deserved 3 points. I feel happy about the performance. The results will come with time. That's what the coach said. So yeah, let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Kaizer Chiefs' performance last night? Remember, they completely dominated Amazulu. Here are some stats that shows that Kaizer Chiefs completely dominated Amazulu. Shots 23 and Amazulu only had 3, meaning that they had 20 more shots more than Amazulu. However, the score ended 1-1. Shots on target 8 Kaizer Chiefs, 1 Amazulu, meaning that the only shot on target that Amazulu had was the goal. Ball position 67 Kaizer Chiefs, 33 Amazulu. Passes 590 for Kaizer Chiefs and 290 for Amazulu, meaning that they had 300 more passes than Amazulu. Pass accuracy 86% for Kaizer Chiefs and 71% for Amazulu. Corners 7 corners for Kaizer Chiefs and 1 corner for Amazulu. That's how they completely dominated that game. Honestly, let me hear your thoughts. What do you think went into Khanisa Mayo's mind? Because that was goal bound. So let's say he was not even offside. He would have stolen his teammate's goal. So do you think that is desperate to impress? Do you think that is desperate for individual glory? Do you think that maybe he's just under pressure and he wants to deliver? Let me hear your thoughts. What do you think is going on with Khanisa Mayo last night? And do you think that Kaizer Chiefs are too individual? They have to play as a team in order for them to achieve the goals? Let me hear your thoughts down below. See you next time.